Now, I have two principles in entertainment that I follow dearly. Now, the first one is keep your religious view to yourself and keep your political view to yourself. Those are two very, very important rules in entertainment that I follow, right? But once in a while, I actually sow my faith here and there. So, like, even though I do all these shenanigans here on YouTube and all the weird stuff that I do, I'm fairly keeping my faith alive, like a lot of time, right? Like, I go to church, and just today, it's Friday, I just came back from Friday night fellowship. So I only say a little bit of thought about my faith when I feel like there's a conviction that follows. So anyway, all throughout the week I've been stressing and anxiety and insomnia for the first 2 days that everyone already left me and I'm all alone in the house. I kind of feel so stressed out, kind of lonely. Yeah, it's weird. And like, I have been like stressing more about like, should I ever get a roommate, or if I ever get a job, or even how will I pay for rent for the next following month. So I have been thinking about it like more and more, and I've been praying about it. I've been praying about it a lot, and weirdly, have you ever feel like a conviction, like the good Lord is talking to you? Because when I started doing that, I got insomnia for 2 days straight. I didn't sleep. I stayed up like 48 hours, even without getting tired. And then the following night, I went to Ricky's place, and we had like a little fellowship, an evening fellowship. And the message at that time was in Philippians 4:6, I think. It's about, do not worry about the future, right? So I take it lightly, and then I kind of just, continue on with my week and keep, praying about it and, just talking to the Lord about it. And then tonight again, and tonight it's Friday, so it makes it a week. And I was just like, I went to church, and the message was the same again. The message was about Abraham, trusting the Lord and just going forward. And even Moses, who was questioning the Lord. It's so hot here. It's so hot. Oh. Yeah, even Moses, he was questioning the Lord, and the Lord tell him like, why are you asking me all this question? Just go forward. And he split the Red Sea and go forward. And even the closing song for tonight fellowship is about God will take care of you. So it gave me that conviction that even I'm praying and I'm worried about all this stuff, it's God is saying to me that He will take care of me, and I should not be worried about these kind of things. Yeah, that was my sort of a conviction that I know that the good man above is listening to my prayer, I believe. So I'm just gonna go forward and keep trust, and have faith. That's all I will do. Anyway. Paseo. This is Paseo. We are here on one unusual stop because Timmy want to have sandwich. So we are here, the whole group. Yeah. That's Sopwise Paseo. I made a vlog about this place. I'll have roast beef. I'll have roast beef. You have roast beef? What about turkey? No turkey? These guys were ordering my order.
You said roast beef, and then the cashier said there's only one roast beef. So then they checked, there's roast beef. So we ordered 4. And then Francie was like, hey, where did you order roast beef?
I thought they were ordering some random sandwich for me. Yeah, this is the place me and Timmy came before. I made like a whole vlog about this place. Thank you. Promise me steam. We are here. Usual stop along the highway just to get drinks and water. Wait. Go. Hey. Steve. This guy's got paid yesterday. When did you get paid?
No pay.
Stop lying. Stop hiding your money.
Okay, I get just apple. Yes.
We are at the coffee shop, me and Warren,
Coffee? Coffee?
waiting for Timmy. Timmy has to get coffee. Coffee people, I don't drink coffee. I only drink Sting and tea. This is my coffee. Hey, finish. Yeah, that's too fast for coffee. That's too fast for premium coffee. Good? Good chef, eh? Yeah. Alright, 4:30. We arrive at 4:30.
Were you forced to come here? Did you come here on your own?
Were you paid to come here?
Blink twice if you're in danger.
This guy hurt his neck doing scrum.
Terminator.
Then, look that way.
Where?
Look that way. Try go this way, the opposite. That's what scrum in rugby do to you.
Welcome to the vlog. In today's vlog.
Anyway, we just got back. It is 4:39 in the morning. So almost 20 to 5. Anyway, we just got back from rugby and yeah, we won around 70 points to 14, I guess. I scored 2 tries. Hey, I'm still good. Yeah. Anyway, we went to Pioneer for after rugby party, celebrate our coach's birthday, and yeah, now we're here. So yeah, this is gonna be the shortest vlog ever. 4:40 in the morning. So I'm just gonna brush my teeth and head straight to bed. See you in the next one.